Hello everyone. Our next procedure that we're going to discuss is internal audit. Before I go further to the procedure, let me explain a little bit about internal audit. Internal audit is known as a first-party audit which conducted within a company by qualified employee appointed by organizations. The internal audit will be conducted cross-department to avoid bias. For example, marketing department will audit production department. The purpose of the internal audit is mainly to determine whether company system meet the standards by management, customers, and also regulatories. It also helps management to be more prepared to face the external audit by certification bodies, which is SIRIC. These are the 4 stages involved in internal audit that we're going to discuss one by one, which is first, audit planning, audit criteria, audit process, and post-audit process. First is audit planning. Lead auditors are responsible to plan and coordinate the internal audit. To be a lead auditor, someone must be expert in both regulatory and company manual. In our company, the lead auditor is our food safety team leader, which is Mr. Liu. Internal audit must be conducted at least once per year by a competent internal auditor. To be competent internal auditor, you must attend internal audit training, which I believe few of you have already attended the training. Next, lead auditor should prepare the audit schedules that state the date, time, auditor, auditee, and area to be audited. Lead auditor also must prepare the audit checklist based on the certification standard, which is GMP, HACCP, ISO 9001, and also ISO 22000. Second stage is audit criteria. Criteria is used as reference standard which are expected to be met by company. These are the list of the criteria in internal audit. First is internal documented manual procedures and work instructions, legal and regulatories, codex guidelines, and also customer requirements. Let's go further to the important stage, which is audit process. During audit, lead auditor will conduct opening meeting to brief scope and schedule to the auditor and auditee. Next, these are the methods that can be used for internal audit, which is on-site observation, interview, and also records review. If any non-conformance found during the audit, auditor will issue corrective action request or CAR. Lastly, lead auditor will conduct a closing meeting to end the audit process by reviewing and confirm the issuance of the CAR. Last stage of internal audit is the post-audit process, which involves the CAR issued. Both auditor and auditee must agree with the time frame to reply the CAR, and auditee must find root cause and propose corrective action to close the CAR. Next, auditor will verify and evaluate the effectiveness of the actions. If the corrective actions is effective, auditor will submit to lead auditor to close the CAR. If not, auditor will inform the lead auditor to issue a new CAR. Lastly, lead auditor will summarize regarding the findings and it will be discussed in management review. On top of the internal audit program, premise inspections also being done by quality control every week to make sure premise GMP is met the standard. If any non-conformance found, the respective individuals will be given 1 week to take corrective actions. That's all from me. And as per your informations, we will conduct real internal audit soon to see whether our systems are effective and can be improved to have a better quality. So be prepared, guys. Thank you. Bye.